This is the shop, this is Jepp's Diagnostics and Repairs. Today we got several test kits inside the cabinet. A lot of my tools are inside this cabinet. This is my workshop right here. I got a toolbox full of tools here. Come get your car's work done. Jepp's Diagnostics and Repairs. We're located at 526 South Newton Avenue. House is up front, the shop's in the back. Operating hours are Wednesday to Sunday, 9 to 5. Come get your cars fixed, because I would sure appreciate the business. $8 an hour for services, can negotiate for less. Go it down to $60 an hour. Need be, help me and my family out, Come on by. We do light maintenance and repairs, and we'll get your car fixed right the first time. Anyways, this is Jepp, the shop owner. I want to see you there when need be. Yeah, this is the inside of the shop.